In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a Spline 3D canvas background into Lovable. First, start by building your 3D scene in Spline Design. Take your time here to make sure the scene looks the way you want, because this will become the visual background for your interface. Once your scene is ready, go to the export options and choose Web Content. Then select React or Embed. This is the important handoff step that prepares your Spline scene to be used inside a web project. If you plan to use it as a live interactive element, make sure you export the version that best matches how you want it to appear in your app. Next, copy your public Spline scene URL. This URL is what connects your design to the project so it can load properly in the browser. If you're working in a setup that supports packages and components more directly, you can also install the React package for Spline instead. Either approach works, but the key idea is that Lovable needs a clear way to reference your scene. Before moving on, double check that your Spline scene is publicly accessible. If it isn't, the background may fail to load later, even if everything else is set up correctly. After that, open Lovable and give it a clear prompt telling it to integrate a Spline 3D canvas background using your scene URL. Keep the wording simple and direct so the tool understands exactly what you want. You'll replace the placeholder with your own scene link, but make sure any private or sensitive information is not included. The goal here is to have Lovable generate the structure needed to place the Spline experience into your page as a background layer. Once the integration is in place, the last step is to tweak your overlay CSS z-index rules. This is what ensures your HTML interface sits cleanly on top of the interactive 3D model instead of getting hidden behind it or competing visually with it. Your background should stay behind the main content, while buttons, text, forms, or navigation remain fully visible and easy to use. In many cases, this also means checking positioning and layering so the 3D canvas feels immersive without getting in the way of usability. As a final tip, preview the page and test interactions carefully. Make sure the 3D model loads smoothly, the foreground content remains readable, and the layering behaves consistently across the layout. With those adjustments complete, your Lovable project should now have a polished Spline-powered 3D background.